Recording, share screen. Uma, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are doing from. This is Mercyfx, and we are here live today on our weekly analysis. So before I go further, I would like to explain the meaning of this weekly analysis. So this weekly analysis is me analyzing the market, what we are going to stick to for the week. If you are going to stick to buy side or if you are going to stick to sell side. Normally, if you know me, if you've been following me, I only trade AUDUSD, I trade Euro USD, and I trade SAUD USD, which is gold. So guys, before I continue, I would like to brief you guys about the private mentorship, the difference between this Telegram and the private mentorship. So the private mentorship, it's where we get to teach you to trade, because it's where Umar, please mute your mic. Please, the private mentorship, it's where we get to teach you to trade, to know the basics. Because where we are going to start with from this private mentorship, we can't just teach you, we can't just go ahead and start showing you zone. This is what you expect, this is what you expect in the market. We have to teach you the basics first of Forex, knowing what is Forex, knowing different things about Forex before the next stage, which is how to trade by yourself. Why this Telegram? This Telegram, you will only depend on my signals. You only depend on my signals. When I say you should buy, you buy. When I say you should sell, you sell. So guys, before I continue, this year is remaining just few months, just 2 months, I think. Yes. So go fund your account. Let's really juice it really hard from the market. So before I dive into the charts, Umar, are you having any question? Umar, can you hear me? Are you having any question before I dive into the chat? Let's see what we are going
to I don't have any, I don't have any question.
Okay, you say,
but
I
have some question about the mentorship program.
Okay, what's your question?
Okay, my question is, how much for the mentorship program?
It's $29.99, which is equivalent to Naira, which is 30,000 Naira.
Okay, just like $30 approximation, right?
Yeah, let me say $30. If you want to turn it to Naira, you know, say Naira now, you know what Naira dollar is talking about. So it's 30,000 Naira in terms of Naira for the private mentorship, and online and Naira bank transfer is available.
Okay.
So what else do you want to know?
Yeah. So if I want to, I will let you know.
Okay, Umar, no problem. So now let's dive into the chart, right? Let's see what we are going to stick to for the week. Please mute your mic. Sorry, I'm not in the office. I'm at home. That's why I'm using my phone. Umar, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I'm see your screen.
Wow. Okay. Before I continue, please, what happened to me? I wasn't online. I wasn't active for throughout last week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Guys, it was really shocking. What really happened? What really happened was I actually lost my phone. The night before I was supposed to travel to Zamfara on Wednesday, which is a compulsory, like a must journey. So losing the phone didn't actually stop me from traveling, but to God be the glory, the guy who picked the phone was able to bring it back. So that is why I was not active. Forgive me, guys. This is a great testimony for me though, because there are many things in this phone. So guys, that is what happened. My apologies. So if we could look at this SAUUSD, which is known as gold. So let's start from our monthly time frame to see our draw on liquidity. Our draw on liquidity means where we are going to see where is price heading to the next zone we are going to expect. So if we could see, this is our gold has been rallying up. You need to, the best thing, you need to stay with the trend. You can't fight the trend. Okay, we've seen this major rally. Good. This is a strong income. This is a strong resistance zone which gold has been respecting. 1, 2, 3. So the next thing, as we've seen gold has tested this strong zone for 3 times. So what we are going to expecting is the downside for gold. For gold now to retrace down, we are going to see a massive jump on gold. But now the issue is that we don't know when. Nobody is Forex Allah. Nobody is Forex Jesus. So we don't know when when gold will actually start dropping. We don't know when gold will actually start dropping. Let me take out this flip. So it will be, this is not the pair I really wanted to. This is not the pair I really wanted to analyze on, but let me just continue. So gold, there is 2 things here. We can see gold come to this upside. Let me turn it to the gold color here. Let me make it a little big. Okay, you can see gold come to this upside because where we were expecting, where we were expecting gold to retrace back down, unfortunately, gold break that zone, keep going up. So this upside, this is where I guess we'll be expecting gold to drop. Let me show you the zone. I want to see gold. Okay, let me show you the first one. If I could put my fib, I guess this is why I said the private mentorship is very, very important. We are going to teach you the basics. The basics, you have to know, like, what are the Fibonacci. Fibonacci is created by someone called Leonard Fibonacci in those 13th centuries. So it's a tool. It's just like a market profile. Market profile is a tool used to gain insights. Used to gain insights in the market. So I was actually expecting gold. Why gold was here, this zone? When gold was here at this zone, I was actually expecting gold to come down to this level, to this high, and break back down. I entered this trade, but I was stopped out. I was expecting gold to get to this zone, to this high. Let me increase this zone. I was expecting gold to get to this high, then return back down. But unfortunately, gold kept going up. So now we have to be honest with you guys, we have to avoid gold for now. We have to avoid gold for now. Either when gold will be juicy for entry, you can see where it is now. This is where it is. Either we get a retracement